Which county?
Police has issued an Amber Child abduction alert from the Shippensburg Police Department, Cumberland County, PA. The Shippensburg Borough Police Department is searching for Kayla Del Rosario, age 7, a white Hispanic female, unknown clothing description. She was last seen in the area of 304 North Fayette Street, Shippensburg Borough, Cumberland County, Pennsylvania. Shippensburg Borough Police is also searching for the mother, Darlene Denisa Rijo Aquino, age 28, a white Hispanic female, unknown clothing description. Del Rosario was reported abducted by her father, Kelvin Monica Reyes, a 25-year-old white Hispanic male, driving a white Toyota Corolla sedan, bearing Pennsylvania registration KRR6053. Repeating, the Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child abduction alert for the Shippensburg Police Department, Cumberland County, PA. The Shippensburg Borough Police Department is searching for Kayla Del Rosario, age 7, a white Hispanic female, unknown clothing description. She was last seen in the area of 304 North Fayette Street, Shippensburg Borough, Cumberland County, Pennsylvania. Shippensburg Borough Police is searching for the mother, Darlene Denisa Rijo Aquino, age 28, a white Hispanic female, unknown clothing description. Del Rosario was reported abducted by her father, Kelvin Monica Reyes, a 25-year-old white Hispanic male, driving a white Toyota Corolla sedan, bearing Pennsylvania registration KRR6053. Anyone with information about the abduction should immediately contact the police by calling 911. For more information, go to www.amber.pa.gov. This has been a